Hello, my name is Anna Albright. Thank you very much for tuning in to the online Women's Health Conference. I will be discussing the newest research linking genetic mutations and breast cancer. Breast cancer is the second most common cancer in women after skin cancer. Breast cancer is the leading cause of death among Hispanic women. Women have a 1 in 8 chance of getting breast cancer, which accounts for 12% of the population. Each year in the United States, about 245,000 cases of breast cancer are diagnosed in women, and about 2,200 in men. Approximately 41,000 women and 460 men in the United States die each year from breast cancer. Over the last decade, the rate of getting breast cancer has not changed for women overall, but the rate has increased for Black women and Asian and Pacific Islander women. Black women have a higher rate of death from breast cancer than white women. Common symptoms of breast cancer include finding a lump or mass in one or both breasts, swelling of breasts, skin irritation or dimpling, breast or nipple pain, nipple retraction, nipple or breast skin appearing red, scaly, or thickened, and nipple discharge. Throughout the years, many genes have been discovered to be linked with increasing a person's likelihood of procuring breast cancer. However, the most significant gene is the BRCA gene 1 and BRCA gene 2. Both of these genes are found on the 17th chromosome. This gene is most commonly referred to as the breast cancer gene. BR for breast, CA for cancer. The BRCA genes were discovered in the 1990s by Mary Claire King. Mary Claire King is a geneticist and a professor at the University of Washington. President Barack Obama acknowledged her work with the National Medal of Science in 2016. Mary Claire King was a trailblazer of sorts because in the 1970s, when she began her research, most scientists believed the strongest link was between cancer and viruses, but Mary Claire King pushed forth, researching the link between breast cancer and genetic mutations. Mary Claire King influenced how cancer research is performed since she proved that there are links between cancer and genetic mutations. The function of the BRCA genes are to repair cell damage and keep breast, ovarian, and other cells growing normally. Therefore, when the BRCA gene has mutated or changed, it is no longer able to repair cell damage or cell growth. The BRCA mutation is also related to other cancers, such as ovarian cancer in women and prostate cancer in men. Research has found that women with the BRCA mutation have a 20 to 40% greater chance of getting ovarian cancer. Additionally, researchers have found that about 5 to 10% of all breast cancers are due to BRCA mutations that have been passed through families throughout the generations. A woman with the BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene mutation has up to a 7 in 10 chance of getting breast cancer by the age of 80. Recently, a large study established that 72% of women who inherit a harmful BRCA1 mutation are about 69% of women who inherit a harmful BRCA2 mutation will develop breast cancer by the age of 80. Therefore, we can see that if you have the BRCA mutation, you do have a higher risk of getting breast cancer, but it is not necessarily guaranteed that you will develop breast cancer over the course of your life. Children have a 50% chance of inheriting this gene from their parents. Since the BRCA gene has been discovered, incidence and deaths as a result of breast cancer have been steadily declining. High-risk populations for getting breast cancer include people who breast cancer was diagnosed before the age of 50, cancer in both breasts in the same woman, both breast and ovarian cancers in either the same woman or in the same family, multiple breast cancers in the family, 2 or more primary types of BRCA1 or BRCA2 related cancers in a single family member, cases of male breast cancer, Ashkenazi Jewish ethnicity. Screening for high-risk populations includes genetic testing, which is available to determine if someone has a BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutation, and the United States Preventive Service Task Force does recommend that women who have family members with breast, ovarian, fallopian tube, or peritoneal cancer be evaluated to see if they have a family history that is associated with an increased risk of a harmful mutation in one of these genes. Other screenings for high-risk populations include performing monthly self-breast exams, yearly breast exams by a doctor, digital mammogram every year starting at the age 30 or younger, and an MRI scan every year starting at the age 30 or younger. If you do have the BRCA gene mutation, you have options. For example, Angelina Jolie opted to have a double mastectomy in 2013 when she found out that she was BRCA1 mutation positive. Thank you so much for participating and watching this video to learn about how genetics is linked to breast cancer. Please let me know if you have any questions and I will answer them as soon as possible. I hope you enjoy the rest of the online Women's Health Conference.